The iPhone 17 Pro Max is generating excitement as one of Apple's most awaited releases. While it might not completely revolutionize the tech landscape, it's clear that Apple is focused on delivering meaningful improvements in usability, performance, and design. These thoughtful upgrades aim to cater to both everyday users and tech enthusiasts, making it a perfect blend of innovation and practicality. So, what can we expect from this flagship device? Let's dive into the details from Demon's Tech latest video. Redesigned camera system, a photographer's dream. Say goodbye to the traditional camera cluster. Apple is transforming the iPhone's look with a sleek camera bar that spans the back of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This reimagined design isn't just for show, it houses cutting-edge hardware like a 40-megapixel telephoto lens for jaw-dropping image clarity. Key highlights: stunning image quality, crisp photos, and improved zoom capabilities for professionals and hobbyists. Enhanced low-light features, better flash positioning, and audio clarity with the redesigned microphone. But that's not all. Apple may introduce reverse wireless charging, letting users power their AirPods or Apple Watch straight from their iPhone. This groundbreaking convenience is perfect for multitaskers juggling multiple devices. Material and design a step ahead. The iPhone 17 Pro Max shifts gears from titanium to a glass-aluminum blend, unlocking vibrant and customizable color options while boosting durability. This change speaks to Apple's commitment to combining elegance with functionality. Meanwhile, the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air model could steal the spotlight. It's rumored to be just 5.5 mm thick yet packs a robust 4,000 mAh battery. Apple is redefining sleekness without compromising on power. Performance boost, smooth and reliable. Speed is the name of the game, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers with cutting-edge upgrades. Among the most exciting is its vapor chamber cooling system, ensuring optimal performance even during intense gaming or multitasking sessions. Performance enhancements: 12 GB RAM, effortless multitasking and future-proofing for upcoming iOS updates. Advanced modem technology, improved energy efficiency during data-heavy tasks, extending battery life. Whether you're editing videos or immersing yourself in mobile games, this device is built to keep up with your demands. Battery and charging, convenience redefined. Apple knows users need devices that last. The iPhone 17 Pro Max leverages high-density battery tech to offer extended endurance for power users. Even its ultra-thin sibling, the iPhone 17 Air, doesn't skimp on battery life. Charging innovations include dependable MagSafe wireless charging, game-changing reverse wireless charging for Apple accessories. These features promise unparalleled versatility for modern lifestyles. New features for usability and creativity. Expect clever additions designed to enhance user experience. A customizable action button may debut, similar to the one on the Apple Watch Ultra, giving users fast access to favorite tools or apps. Plus, photographers will love the rumored camera shutter controls, offering greater precision for capturing that perfect shot.